Okay, now Ms. Shive, go ahead. You were chomping at the
Yeah,
bit.
respectfully, Mr. Vincent doesn't run our office. He may run his office or whatever, but he doesn't run our office. So we follow procedure, and he said he's not appearing on the felony matter, so he cannot speak to on the felony capias matter if he's not appearing on it.
No,
If he's
well,
appearing
hold
on
on,
it,
Ms.
we can make
Shive.
our
Hold
argument.
on, Ms. Shive. All right, ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Mia Wynham on that Williams.
All right, Ms. Williams, you have some traffic matters which you failed to appear in court for. As a result of your failure to appear, warrants for your arrest were issued. The court's going to set aside these arrest warrants, give you a personal bond, and this misdemeanor matter that carries a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will use against you. You have the right to an attorney. You can't afford an attorney. One will be appointed on your behalf. The ticket is P1611133. Improper plates, driving an unlicensed motor vehicle, driving a registered motor vehicle. Pre-trial court date for that ticket would be January 27th in front of Judge King. Now to your other matters. Case number 240-599-8201. People say Michigan's were Neowana Williams. This case is felonious assault. And case number 1704577. 081, people say Michigan versus Neowani Williams, 2017 case. I have a $1,000 10% capias bond set by Judge Bryant, October 20th of 2024. Appearances, please.
Thank you, Magistrate. As well, though, that felony is a capias matter as well, the FA as well as the DV aggravated.
It is?
Yeah, that has a $25,000 cash surety, failed to appear November 18th of this year.
Okay. Ms. Shai, why should I continue the bonds on both of these cases?
So on the first case, the felony, we did get an answer from Judge Williams for a personal bond, and I believe the people don't appear on these felony capias matters.
What's the personal bond amount?
No amount, just personal bond.
$50,000 personal bond per Judge Larry Williams. All right, what about the misdemeanor?
Misdemeanor. The misdemeanor I'm going to speak to. I'll be making an argument on that.
Ms. Shai, why should I continue the misdemeanor bond?
So, Your Honor, respectfully asking the court to consider a personal bond. It's our understanding that unfortunately the complaining witness is now deceased. And my client is pregnant. She has 5 kids. She's pregnant. She does suffer from mental illness. She understands she needs to make it to her court dates. I don't believe she's on probation or parole. The bond is $1,010 meant, I believe, meant to be affordable. Unfortunately, to her, it is not. So respectfully asking the court to consider a personal bond. No objection to a high personal bond. And I believe this is going to have to be dismissed if the complaining witness is now deceased, but that's information we got from my client, Your Honor.
Mr. Vincent?
Magistrate, I just really don't understand this. So I have five failures to appear in this case. I have 4 of those failures to appear that's happened in the last year. The most recent bench warrant arraignment that she had, where she was failing to appear on this case, she was arrested on the FA and the DV aggravated. And then she fails to appear in the FA and DV, and then she fails to appear in this. So I don't know what Judge Williams knows, but I don't think he knows all of that. So I'm asking for this bond to continue. I would actually ask for monitorization. I can't speak to, the felony capias. It just seems kind of ironic that she has an assault. She has an assault case that.
Hold on, Ms. Shive. Let him finish. Let him finish, Ms. Shive.
She has an assault case that she's going through right now, where she has 5 failures to appear. The most recent being in this misdemeanor, October 28th of 24. She picks up another assaultive case, but actually a lot more substantial. And then she gets a personal bond. She actually went to redetermination in the other one. So, Judge, I'm just going to ask you to continue this 1,010%. I'll take the other matter up with the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office, how Ms. Shive and her group ended up contacting Judge Williams and what they said to him. But in terms of the misdemeanor, I'm going to ask you to continue that.
Okay, now Ms. Shive, go ahead. You were chomping at the bit.
Yeah, respectfully, Mr. Vincent doesn't run our office. He may run his office or whatever, but he doesn't run our office. So we follow procedure, and he said he's not appearing on the felony matter, so he cannot speak on the felony capious matter if he's not appearing on it.
No,
if he's
well,
appearing
hold
on
on,
it,
Ms. Shive. Hold on, Ms. Shive. He technically did not speak to the felony matter with respect to bond. He referenced it along with other cases with respect to failure to appear. He did not make a bond argument on that case. He left it to you all. He said he wasn't talking about it, but he could and did reference it as a pattern of lack of coming to court. And that's
Your Honor, he said, I don't know how much Judge Williams knows based on that to give a personal bond. So he wasn't just talking about the
Can you
capious.
argue as to bond on the misdemeanor case? I don't want to go back and forth with you on this.
I already did, and I will again if the court would like, because the court wanted us to go first, so we did. She's pregnant. She has 5 kids. She suffers from mental illness. She is on medication and shots for that. She missed her court date. We know that, but nothing is going to be affordable to her. She does suffer from mental illness. We understand she needs to make it to her court date. She understands that. She's arrested at home. This is an old misdemeanor, and the complaining witness, to our knowledge, is now deceased.
How long ago was the complaining witness deceased?
Ma'am,
February.
how long ago?
Marcia Danielle Tenza passed away February of 2024. The reason that I was missing those court dates is because I had relocated and my change of address was not, people were manipulating my mail, sir. So I had to get a P.O. box. Then the P.O. box, I couldn't afford that any longer, so I missed my court dates. I did not have an active working phone either. So me missing my court dates as far as
So
the
you have
case,
all that corrected now?
Yes, I have it corrected now. Yes, I do. I have an active line. I'm in contact with
I'm going to give you the
lawyer.
benefit of the doubt and give you $1,000 personal bond, no tether. Show up for court, ma'am. Is that too much to ask?
So, I really don't have the finances to pay or anyone in my family. I'm the only child of both parents.
Anything, ma'am. You're going to get released.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then I have to make my court date. I do now.
I'm working now.
Okay, pre-trial January 17th on your misdemeanor. Probable cause January 9th and preliminary examination January 16th from the Judge Sabree on your felony matter. Have a good day. We have the interpreter.